Happy holidays, dancers, and welcome to the tutorial for 12 Days of Christmas. But unlike the traditional song, this one has a nice punk and hardcore feel, and it's super high cardio. Let's get started. Now, we have a base set between each one. As you know, in 12 Days of Christmas, you start with 1, and you work your way up, adding 2, 2, 1, 3, 3, 2, 1, until you get to 12, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And in between each one of these, we have a nice little simple step, rock tap. Rock tap, that's it. So it's on the first day of Christmas, my true love gave to me, and then you go into. So I'm going to show the 12, starting with 1 up to 12, and then we'll work our way back. 1 is pony, 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 pony. That's our partridge in the pear tree. 2 is turtle doves. 2 turtle doves. So we have our little dove hands here, and we just tap right, left. And we go, okay, pony, 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 pony. I'm not going to show that every time, but we're going to keep going. 3 is French hens. We got our hands here, we knee, 2 and 1. Then 4 calling birds. We have our arms here, and we have a little attitude of the leg. So it goes, right there, 4. 4 calling birds. Time for 5 golden rings. 5, golden, quick, 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 quick. And that's our Beyonce moment for our single ladies. It goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Good. 6 is 6 geese laying. 6 geese laying. Drop an egg. 6 geese laying. 7 is 7 swans swimming. And take this from Swan Lake. Arms are going to be out and out. And we're going to go stretch the leg, show the beautiful ballerina feet, 7 swans is swimming. Beautiful. Next is 8 maids of milking. We're going to lean over, grab the udders, and we're going to milk the cow. 8 maids of milking. Good. 9 is ladies dancing, and we're going to take a little flamenco feel with this one. 9 ladies dancing. 9 ladies dancing. Time for 10 lords leaping. This one, the arm comes up in a big grand jeté gesture, and we just stretch the legs and we give a little leap. Boop, which goes right into 9. That's why we did it that way. If you really want to take it up, you can really jump and then hit. 11 pipers piping. And we just come here with a march. And finally 12 is 12 drummers drumming. And the difference with 12 is that we're going to cut out this little tap step. And we're just going to drum, 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 12 drummers drumming. Now let's see 12 through 1 all together. On the 12th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 12 drummers drumming, 11 pipers piping, 10 lords leaping, 9 ladies dancing, 8 maids of milk, 7 swans a swimming, 6 geese a laying, 5 golden rings, pa, 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 4 calling birds, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves, partridge in a pear tree. Let's see those facing front. On the 12th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 12 drummers drumming, 11 pipers piping, 10 lords leaping, 9 8 maids of milking, 7 swans swimming, 6 geese a laying, 5 golden rings, pa, 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 4 calling birds, 3 French and 2 turtle doves, partridge in a pear tree. Now there's one more thing to add. We have a little break where we do some kicking steps. Now that happens after we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and back down. We have a little kick step. We just go kick, kick, little 80s kick. We're going to take that around the world, and then back, ta, 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 to go into 6. After 6, 7, 8, 9, we get it again. Kick, 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 and back, ta, ta, ta. Now, this is a little tricky, and you can kind of fudge it a little bit, but on the next one we go 10 lords leaping. Instead of starting normally right, which I do every time, we're going to start left, just because we're going to jump left. So, on the 10th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me, and we're ready to jump 10 lords leaping. So that's all the choreography. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and we work our way all the way back down. Let's dance it.